Hi kids, welcome to Waro Games, mind-boggling and interesting crypto algorithm series. So here in this video, we present to you two questions on crypto algorithm, which by now you must have understood are certain numeric puzzles, numeric questions in which they are replaced with these alphabets, these letters, and we have to find the numbers hidden behind these letters by using some mathematical logics. So let's start with this question first. Over here, what do we see? ABC plus CBC is equal to CDEB. And remember that each of these letters are single digit numbers and 0 cannot be in the leftmost place. So A, C, C over here, these numbers cannot be 0. Otherwise, 0 at the beginning holds no value. Let's start now. So we see that ABC plus CBC, which are 3-digit numbers, turn into a 4-digit number. It means at the end, there is a carry which is turning into a double-digit number. Now we know we have to use numbers until 9, that is single digit, the highest single digit. If we add the maximum single digit, what is the answer? 9 plus 9 is equal to what? Is equal to 18. Suppose C is 9, so this both part would become 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 8 would come here and 1 would be in the carry, right? Again, if we suppose B is another highest number, say what? 8. 8 plus 8 is 16 plus 1 is 17. 7. Again, the carry would be 1 only. And suppose this is 9 and say A is 7, that is again a double digit number. 16 it becomes plus 117, again it would be 1. So whichever number, whatever value it is, when added, the maximum possible for a single digit number is 18. So the double digit number which becomes is 18. It means this part, these two, A plus C, when added, maximum they can give is 18. So this part would become 18 if we are assuming them to be the highest number. So whatever be the possibilities, C can only be 1. Whether it comes to 18, 17, 16 or be it 10, whatever it comes to, C will always hold the value of 1. So we know that C is 1 now. So 1 plus 1 is 2. It means B becomes 2. So over here 2 plus 2, E will become 4. And over here C is 1, which we have already found. Now if C is 1 and A is also a single digit number, which number can it be to turn it into 2 digits number? If suppose it is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, that would not have turned into a double digit number. So the only possibility for A is 9. Then 9 plus 1 has become 10. It means D has become is 0. So here is our solution. A is 9, B is 2, C is 1, D is 0 and E is 4. It was pretty easy, wasn't it? Now let's move to this one. ABC plus ABC is equal to CDDB. Again, the same thing, two 3-digit numbers, exactly the same numbers when added have turned into a 4-digit number, and using the same logic which we have learned, understood now, we know that C can only be 1. That is the highest possibility when two single digit numbers are added. So we know that C is 1. Now if C is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Again B becomes 2 over here. So B is 2. So D becomes 4. So we can write 4 over here and over here also. Now, what can be the value of A? A plus A is turning into CD, that is 14. So, what is the possibility for A then? The only possibility is 7. So, A is equal to 7. Quite easy, wasn't it? But a lot of fun. So, keep practicing these crypto algorithm problems with us.